Hey there, how are you? This is Kali from Tech Fans here. So we were in the welcome to the seventh episode or eighth episode of the Build Custom ROM. In this episode, we will be starting the how to start the compiling process. So in previous video, we have shown how to get the how to paste or place the trees in the different folders. So here in this video, we will be seeing how to compile those trees. Before that, as we know, we were starting the Resurrection Remix, building the Resurrection Remix. So we are in the midway of this one. So in that video I have shown how to what are all the things we need to make and all, and what are all the places we need to check to get the trees and where we need to place the trees. So I have a person, Flame Fusion, who made the Resurrection Remix OS for the XOOP, which is official, and from him I'm just going to take the configurations to make the notification LED work. So basically I need to get all the commits which he made, but for example I'm just showing, as I seen that notification LED is one of the important feature which we need. So how to do that? Well, first we'll get to the Resurrection Remix device GitHub profile. So here I have it. So I have shown that if I press the device here, XOOP, I have this one, but when I check here in the device.mk file to get the configuration, I can see that it is inherited from the common folder like mine. So we need to build the so he's this device in this OS also, this tree also he is building from the common tree. So there has to be a common tree from where we can get it. So I need to go again to Resurrection Remix and I need to search for the common tree, and the folder name might be like MSM8937. So I'm just typing here and I have found that ASUS this one. So to confirm it, it is from Flame Fusion, so it is for XOOP. So here also we can find it is for XOOP. So if I go to commits, I can find all his commits for the common tree. So if he is making a in common tree, we can do I can easily, for example, I can download this one and I can do these changes offline in my locally. I can do the changes of the file and I can use it, but that's not how it is work, because I would say if he's finding something like he's there is something called giving the credits, so or authorization. So here you can see Raza authored and Flame is committed. So these changes whichever here he made, it is made by Raza and he just adapted those changes to his tree. Like that we need to do. So for that I have to find this overlay, this one changes. So here this is the one adaptive overlays for RR. This is change he made on August 20. So I need to take this change, and what are all the changes here made, he just clearly mentioned add battery health overlay and system info display cutout and signed by RFRIs and signed by Flame Fusion. So co-authored, okay, this guys. So I have to thank these guys for making this one, this changes. So here you can see whichever is shown in the green, which is mean it is added. So where they have added overlay lineage this one, and they have added inside this. So what I am going to do is, and then they have overlay package inside, they have added this string. So the good thing we need to do is, here I am unable, here they have RR config XML file. So I need to go here, and which I need to go to my common RR and then device and then ASUS and then MSM common. So here they have overlay dot lineage and then they have a framework which we don't even have that folder. So these are the commit which we need to do. For that we need to cherry pick these changes. Cherry pick means like one of the feature which we have in GitHub, where we can take the specific commits from one tree to another, or one project to another, or one repository to another. Here the commit which I need to take is I'm just going to commits, and I have adopt overlay RR. So this is the commit number which I need to take, and I need to fix inside mine. So these commits are where it is going, like overlay.lineage and overlay. So those are what's all the changes. 2 files have changed. So if I apply this commit in my folder, it will be like in the common tree it will make 2 changes. So how I can do this one? First I need to get into this folder, and I need to right click and open terminal. So first I need to fetch this tree to my repository, so that I can make the changes which are all made that tree. I can make the changes. This is cherry picking I am doing. So how to do that? Well, I am just doing like git fetch or git fetch. Git fetch. I will just type. I just forgot these things. I am just trying it. We'll see them. Git fetch, and which tree I need to fetch. It is resurrection remix device.8. okay, this is the tree, this is the thing which I need to get. So I'm just copying this one, and okay, and I'm just pasting that one. After that I need to mention the branch which is 10. So I will mention as 10, and then commits I'm going. So now this is the command, I believe. I may be wrong, so I just press enter. Okay, so now we have fetched, I believe I have fetched this one correctly, not sure, we'll check. So we have branch get 10. okay, so the head is currently in 10. Now I need to get the number or ID of the commit. This one is XOP adopt overlay RR. This is the command, and change. And I need to do like git cherry pick, cherry -pick, and I need to paste this one. Sorry, not that one. The comment ID, which is yes, I need to type it. This one, adapt. Where I can copy this one. Okay, I will just see and type here. Adopt RR. okay, CED B095. so this is the ID. So I'm just pressing enter. Couldn't apply, adapt this one RR. After resolving the conflict, mark the corrected paths, git add path, git remove path, and commit the results with git commit. Okay, so there are some conflicts which are happening. I just need to get inside this one, and we'll see whether those changes are okay. Here we have git over lineage and overlay. So in overlay, what is this change I need to make? Git lineage overlay framework. overlay lineage. I need to get into that folder. Overlay lineage, we have the framework folder. Now inside that we have base, core, rus value, rr config. So now I have this one, but it is showing it is not applied, but anyhow I will just give git commit. Okay, so before committing this one, I need to there are some changes which we need to make. So how it works means, here for example, restriction. Okay, these are all the changes he have made, which is fine. The changes which I need to make is, so first file, this is the file which is correct, which is fine, and then this one here in the file they have mentioned as maintainer to his name, so which I need to only remove, or else I need to add my name. So the folder is overlay package. I need to go there. Before this one overlay, before this one common. Okay, in the common tree it is overlay packages, apps, settings, resolution values, rr strings. So here it is like this one. So what I need to know, I will just change it to TechFancies or something. Okay, so TechFancies and save. So now we just made some changes here. So we made some changes in this one. Now I need to commit those changes. So what I'm going to do is git commit, and I need to author his this one. Git commit dash amend dash amend dash author, and equal to, I need to give his name. I believe I may be wrong, I never did this one before, but I'm just doing it now. Okay, I'll just paste this one here. Amend. Okay, so I cannot amend. Okay, I will just remove this one. I will just add this author. Overlay package app settings or comment is not possible because you have unmerged files. Okay, I guess I need to git. Okay, git status. Okay, so these are all the things which are not added in our new commit, so I need to add them. For that I can just git add and dot, which will add all the files. So whichever changes, so this point I totally forgot. Okay, whichever point we are making editing, first we need to add it in the commit list, after then only we can commit. So I'm just adding git add, and then I need to commit this one. I believe I need to enter or what. Okay, I need to give this one. So same command whichever he made, I need to save it now. Control X. Okay. Okay, so now this commit has been changed. This has been changed. Okay, I believe I did it correctly. So if okay, still these are here, changes has been happened. So like this you need to what, you need to cherry pick these changes whichever is required for your builds, like here this one, and add firmware labels. So we have a lot of things we have made to make it wonderful, but well, we are just testing it. So yeah, and I am just adapting it to our this one. Before that there are some changes which we need to make. He would have made it in the first place. Overlay for this one. Okay, adding time to show was asking moment. Okay, so that is not important, so I'm just making it myself. So how you can do is, first go to device tree and your device tree, and you have what, overlay, framework, base, core, res, this one, config. This is, we can kept as it is, and you just need to check is there any word called lineage in your this one. If it is in lineage, you need to change it to RR. So that's the point here. So and then android.mk, so here nothing is there, and then android.products, here it is like lineage dot this one, here I need to check to RR. So how I'm doing it, well, we have the living not here, okay, we have the living example, some wait here in the device tree. So from here we can get to the point. You can just go here, or this one, XOOP and XOOP. So here if you go to commits, what changes I'm exactly making is bring up RR, I guess. Okay, so whichever is in lineage is just changing to RR, as you can see. So that is what I'm making it. So I will just this one is done, I believe. Yeah, rr.xor, and android products, that's what I just changed now. And then board config.mk, device, this one, okay, this is correct. And then readme, no need to change anything. And device.mk, XOR vendor, okay, this is not required to change anything, and this is not required. And lineage dependency, I believe we need to rename it to RR dependencies. And then lineage.emma, this one I need to change it to RR underscore XOR. And then we can just directly put it in lineage and we can do, but there are some files, I would say, like if you go to device, we have file called RR. Okay, this one uses the RR folder. For that we need to change it, this one. So we have some line codes in the source of resurrection which checks for RR files, not the lineage one. So that for that we are just changing it, XOR and dependence. Okay, we need to now check RR underscore XOR. So here we have this one source, okay, device XOR. Here vendor lineage, here we have vendor lineage config and full common phone, but it is not lineage, it is resurrection, so mostly it won't be there. Vendor, here we have RR instead of lineage. So inside that we have what the file name, config lineage instead of lineage we have a config and common full phone, here we have. So it is in RR, not in lineage, so I need to change it to RR. So here it is like instead of lineage we need to put it RR, the device. So this one will help us to like put the build command, so you can change it to RR, and I am just saving, Control S. After that we like okay device ASUS XOR. So we have changed this one, and setup.xo is not required. Okay, and 8937, here I have to change it to overlay score RR, but yeah, I can change, but we'll check. Lineage.sdk. okay, I will change it to if I change means there are some conflicts will happen. We'll check. 8937.mk vendor access. okay, this is a device tree. Here if I change there, I need to change here as well to RR. I guess this will be fine. If I not change also, it won't make any problem, so I just keep it as it is. I can just control F and the lineage. If any file name is there in the lineage 1 2 3, okay, this isn't all fine. okay, 4 5 6, okay, only 5, so this is fine. And prop.mk, okay, this is not required. I believe we are ready to just fire up the compiling. Hopefully it will definitely give some error, so we'll check them. So how to compile it, that we will see now. So I'm just going inside this one, and this is not required. I will just go with exit. And so I have made some changes. I need to apply them, but that is fine, we can do it after some time. So we are right now in RR folder. From here I need to start doing it. I need to go here and GitHub Resurrection Remix. So here we have build commands. So first dot build, dot means we can put source or dot, build.environmental.sh. so this line will run the shell script of enp setup. So that one we will be having in RR build. We have the environment sh here, so that will be, it will run this script. So what we need to do, well, we have the we are currently in RR folder. From here we need to just copy paste this line, copy and middle click after. okay, so it will just build this one. So here it is asking for unofficial, press 1. yeah, it is unofficial, so I'm just pressing 1, and it will ask for the building the variant. It will like 10-second time. It is asking for the log to generate. I don't want any log, so I'm just giving enter. So now what we need to do, so basically this will differs from this one to device to device. In Resurrection they just made it like this, but in some other custom ROMs it will be different. So here it is asking, so one is for official, unofficial. I'm just giving 1, and I'm just giving enter to not to build any change logs. So now the launch RR and user debug. So okay, I will paste this one. So launch command is used for to start the compiling, not start the compiling, to ready for the compiling. Here the underscore RR, which we have renamed it. After RR, what we need to give is, we need to give the device name, which is XOR, which is my device. If it is something yours, or for maximum it is XOR, XOP. After that we need to give hyphen, and we need to provide the build name or build type. We have 3 build types as I know. One is engineer build, which have the lot of tools and like features or configuration to used for debugging and all, which is it would be advisable if you are building it for first time. If you are building engineer build, it will be easy to get the logs and all. After that we have user debug, which is like in the below that to engineer build, which will like have only the developer. It will be having a developer option, but to get the like advanced features of debugging or getting the logs, you need to root the device, and you need to like use some tools to do this one. So it is advisable, if you are giving to the end users, you can give it to this one debug, user debug builds, or if you are releasing it, it is advisable to use the user debug, so that user also can provide you the like take the logs and all, and they can provide it to you. After user debug, we have user build, which are extremely high level, like it doesn't have any it won't be having any options to check for check for any have the ability to take the logs and all. It is mostly in high levels, so it is advisable to use the ENG build for the first time if you are building, and if you are and testing it for yourself or with the testers. If you are giving to the users or device group, you can use user debug. So here I am using ENG build for, as I am building it for first time. Actually not, but I am just using the ENG build. So launch rr underscore xo or device name, and this one. This is the name of the make file which is in our device device XOR we have here, rr underscore XOR, same we are giving. After that we need to give the build this one. So now no errors came, that is actually good. Whichever is file is there, it just got checked, it is fine. So vendor file here, so yeah, and it is 10, and XOR engineering build we are making it, so it will go all the architecture details and all, so that is fine. After this we need to start the build, which is MK, I guess, MKA bacon. So this will bake the ROM for us. We have multiple commands, but we can use the bacon as of now, and I will just click here and put it here. Okay, there are some spaces. Bacon. Okay, so this command will start the build, and hope it is started. So song, so this is one of the feature which we have in latest Android builds, I guess from Oreo, I'm not sure. You can watch Alexa Linux user, he have explained more about the song. So it is like initial process, like where it will check all the files which are present are there. It will make some test cases. After that only it will start the build. So it will take some time, so we'll check on this one. Mostly these builds will be having like 70,000 files to 1 lakh based on this one. But I forgot something, which is building the phase unlock, so I'm just pressing Ctrl C to stop the build. So I definitely want to build the phase unlock, so I need to like we have a bring up here changes. So these things you will forget, so don't forget, just start this one, build with phase unlock. So in device in rr.xop I need to like add the phase unlock feature. So what I need to do is I just go to here and rr dot phase unlock, not here I believe. Okay, rr dot underscore. So in ASUS XOR rr XOR, and here I need to mention it. I believe I can just gadget as it is a normal thing, so I'm just copying this code and pasting it here. You can just type or else you can do this one. So even you can just you can just copy this this code, and you can just do the cherry pick, but just one line of code, also it won't make any problem, so I'm just doing it. So phase unlock support true, I'm just saving the file. So now this one will build the that one also, so I'm just building it again and enter. Now I'm just launching again, and then bacon, mka bacon. So I usually, whenever the moment when it gets to the end point of the compilation, I was receiving the crashes in the VDI or in the GNOME machine. In those kind of changes, what I do is I just close this GNOME machine server, and I will just open the SSH server. From there I will give these commands, and I will just start compile the ROM. So if we check whether it is making any problem like that, or else we'll just go with this process. So it will be like it's already 30 minutes, so we'll check for this one. If any error comes, I guess the build is started. So yeah, if any errors while compiling, if any error happens, we will just see those errors in the next video, where we will 9th episode, where we will be tackling the errors of this one. So I just wanted to see this one. So here you can see the song process, and Ninja has completed, and he wrote the rules. So now the build is happening. It is like we have 100k files which needs to be compiled.